go ahead and I always open my fifth wheel first. When you drop the air rod, it's gonna, it won't unlock. So, quick tip for y'all. But yeah, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that F1 content. I found it pretty cool, so I hope you guys did as well. Let's go ahead and pull forward. In case we need it. I always take it with me, but you shouldn't need it if you get all the tension off of this. So it should come out just like that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of how I unhook and all this. See, this one gets a little stuck. There we go. Over here, I always reassemble it so I don't lose it, and I throw it in there. Oh shit, that hurt. Scratch my whole back on that beam. Make sure you guys tuck your lines really good. There you go. I'm gonna back her up one more time. You guys see, it's a little bit more extra work. If you do local RGN work, definitely would I recommend it. But if you're like me, that you do it here to go pick up elsewhere, you know, like states down the line, 900-mile run, stuff like that. It's not that bad. Beam, bada boom. Now we're gonna set up our wood here. Obviously wood is very important. We gotta bring it down a little bit here. So that's what we're gonna do. Raise the air. We are good to go. While it raises it, I'll start preparing my trailer. This is for the stick. Front trick, I really don't like throwing it on the dirt, but I don't really have another option right now. these long ones for the stick. And then go ahead and grab this and this. I will do that. Come forward, yeah. Walk it, walk it. Just walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. Oh. Just come straight then, that's fine. Boom up, tuck it in. Boom down, boom. Curl the bucket down. No, curl up. Okay, boom down, boom down. Sand application is a little bit harder. The trailer's not really flat even. It's not evenly flat. The driver's side's a little bit more up. We'll make it work. Should have gone in perfectly fine right there. Yep, it sure did. That's fine now. Yep. Drop the and unhook now. Now I lock up my differential here because since we're in very slippery, we're in sand, I don't want to dig a hole. It's gonna screw me over, so that's why I don't want to do that. I'm gonna run this hole. It's a small machine, and I'm not gonna get stuck today, so not today, maybe tomorrow. Definitely not today. Come on. One done. Number 2 is done. Hook up the air lines so we have it ready. Just go like this. And good old electrical. That's all she wrote. Yep. That's what I hate about mechanical. I'm never that rough on it, but since we got sand under us, it's gonna be worse. It's gonna be worse digging a hole and not lining up to it. So let me supply air to this. I always do all this before I tie down. A couple reasons. One, you never want to tie down if you're not at operating height because it would loosen up. Because when you tighten down with it on the floor versus picking up on it, when you lift up, it's gonna loosen up. So you gotta do double the work. Obviously nobody wants to double the work, so now I'll do that. Supply air to the brakes so I get all the suspension up. Just like that, y'all. We're all loaded up. A couple pictures here and get on out of here. Yeah, I'll get back with you guys once we get on out of here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You guys doing good? We stopped last night over here in Vero Beach. Did a little quick pre-trip. Peterbilt's locked. Gonna do a quick pre-trip. Make sure everything's still tight. You can see that's tight. Our flags are still good. Make sure this is tight, tight, tight. Our flag's still on. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Yeah, y'all. I didn't really film much. I don't know why this is here. This should be good here. I'll fix that later. But yeah, guys. I mean, I was waiting on the permit, reading through the permit, and obviously you guys know what it takes to do all this. So, and I got caught up with time. I wanted to make it as far as I can. So, I had to just get her done. But truck's looking good. Pre-trip's looking good. Everything's good. We're ready to roll. So, you guys see I got these new little oversized stuff. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let me see. Let me fix this. I'll get right back with y'all and then we're going to hit the road. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, y'all? So, we are about to hit the road. Oh man, we got we're not that far, probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours away, if that. So let's get on to it. You guys saw we did our pre-trip this morning. Everything looked great. Let's get on out of here. You guys saw I changed up the mirror setup on the bottom. I like it a lot better. I mean, I still prefer the one I had before this, that I had the little stick on blind spot one. But as I'm doing oversized, it's a lot harder to see the machine with that little mirror. So I had to go ahead and go a little bit bigger so you can see a little bit more. That little RGN right in front of us too. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that cab over with that stainless, man. That thing looks good. I'm trying to think if that's my buddy or not. I need to take a picture of this real quick. I really think that might be my buddy. He got a red stainless and he's got one of those, but he's got a badass, bad to the bone W9s, mid-roof, old school W9s. Man, that thing looked good. Other than that, guys, I mean, I'm gonna go deliver this load here. I'll probably make it all one video. At least I'm gonna try to, maybe. We're gonna drop this off in St. Augustine, and we're gonna go back to West Palm, pick up a 330, I believe it's what it was. Pick up a 330 and take that one to Jacksonville. So we're running a little bit of local right now because you guys know this Sunday coming up, I got to go pick up all the F1 stuff once again, so can't really go too far right now. Once we take care of that F1 stuff, then obviously you guys know we're going back OTR with it, and yeah, so pretty excited to go back OTR. I miss it, you know. I haven't really gone OTR with an RGN, it's been a while, so pretty excited for it. Excited, but it is a little bit more stress and stuff like that, because, you know, I know the roads around here, and I know how to get around and get where I need to go to, you know. But once you go on OTR, it's a lot harder for sure. But other than that, guys, I'll get back to you guys once we get on that on-ramp, so you guys hear this cat scream. Come on. It's time just to rooster cruise. Come on. Go ahead and cruise at 68, 70 the whole way, and we'll get there shortly to deliver this load. And turn around and head back. Go try to pick up that other one tonight. We won't be able to drive nothing, but I mean, maybe we'll be able to drive. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can make happen. But I think I caught you guys all up to date from our previous video about the F1 stuff. I caught you guys up to date there. I mean, we're pulling the RGN now. We're not with Bennett no more. Like I said, not really a specific reason. I mean, it's not like I left there because something bad happened or anything like that. I just wanted to expand a little bit more and get closer to being my own authority. But other than that, I mean, I got nothing bad against Bennett. I mean, if you guys want a little bit more in-depth video, go watch out the previous video about me doing the F1 races. So take a look at that video, and yeah. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the new mic setup. Let me know down in the comments if it sounds really good compared to before, obviously. So I'm hoping it sounds good and it picks up a little bit more of the truck and stuff like that. So can't wait to review the footage and see how it sounds. So but I mean, other than that, y'all, I guess I'll get back to you guys once we get closer to delivery. I'll check in with y'all in a little bit, please. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, YouTube? So So we made it here, as you guys see, and we're unhooking here. We're unhooking here now to go ahead and unload this machine real quick, which I think I'm gonna park over here so I'm not in the way. We should be perfectly fine right there. So let's go ahead and get this thing unloaded here, y'all. Let's get the hell on out here quick. So that load I was telling you guys about earlier, about if you guys remember, the one about that 330 link belt. So that one's still not ready. So I don't think we're gonna go back. So I think we're gonna find another load here. Which that's okay. We'll find something else, you know. Yep. Which that is okay. I'm gonna show you guys once again, give you guys a little walkthrough on operating, but you guys seen my old video just showing how to operate a excavator. So I'm sure y'all got it by now. But screw it, regardless, we gotta drive it, so it only takes a second. I got some pretty cool footage of me rolling on the highway on 95 with the cameras off the turn or 95. So I'm excited to go ahead and throw that in the video. It'll be pretty cool. So put this under here so it don't fly away. I don't think it messes on still. We are good to go. Sure thing good. Boom, boom, boom. This is a newer gen. Oh, there it is. About to say, this thing not work. Passcode. Huh. Where did they write it down? Don't tell me they didn't write this thing down now. Well, guys, I'll get back to you guys once I figure out. I don't know what the fuck the passcode is. Alright, let me get back with you guys here. Alright, y'all. We went ahead and got the machine up. So obviously this is your stick, this is your boom, this is left and right is where you swing, left and right for this is your curl bucket. come all the way back to get the most weight I can on the back. That's all she wrote. We got to just finagle it as much as we can like that, because there's really no other way around it. So now I'll show you guys what I was trying to do earlier, but I couldn't get right off the side, so that's why I didn't really let me. But I think maybe if we go ahead and, you see it's turning now, so we should be fine here. See, so it's clearly this side that's the problem. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna you definitely got some type of funnel drive or idler. I wonder if the tracks are too loose. I don't know what the hell it could be. That worked though. Like that. And I'm gonna go like this. The way I set my bucket is so it doesn't collect water. I do it like this, just like that, so it doesn't collect water, and that is it. So I don't really have nothing to rate the pin code, but I guess they could figure it out. That's what I'm assuming. So yeah, other than that, y'all, turn off the master real quick. We're gonna go from there. I'll show you guys where the master switch is right here. This is basically, if this is not on, you can't, this is not gonna get power at all. So, now let me take my 4 little pictures for delivery. Get on out of here. I always get a picture of the serial number as well, just in case, you know. And that is it. Now we're gonna go ahead and put my chains away, y'all. So guess I'll show you how to do it, but obviously y'all know how to do that. But yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys once I get ready to roll out of here, y'all. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we're all hooked right back up, and we are ready to roll. We're gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Yeah, guys, other than that, we're gonna go ahead and find something to eat. But man, I'm hungry. And other than that, that's about it, y'all. So I'll get back with you guys once we figure out our next load, because that other load we had got not canceled but delayed. It's not ready for pickup yet, so we are basically just waiting now. So other than that, I'll get back with you guys in a little bit and we'll go from there. Peace.